I'm going all in to help out the seniors in my community.
We're going all in for Greencastle seniors.
I'm volunteering with United Way to help seniors in need.
I'm volunteering with United Way so I can make a positive impact in my community.
I'm joining hundreds of volunteers across our community for United Way's Go All In Day.
Hey there, I'm Chris Flegel with United Way of Central Indiana, and we are so excited to be here at DePaul University for our Go All In Day, which is engaging volunteers, hundreds of volunteers across our 7-county region here in Central Indiana. And today we are doing senior care build kits. And so what you see behind me are a bunch of DePaul volunteers who are putting together care packages that are going to go out to our senior centers in Putnam and Hendricks County, primarily people who are homebound seniors who've been really sheltered and isolated during the pandemic. And so this is going to make a huge impact in our community and across the region. So very thankful for DePaul's support in this and in our partnership in improving our community and really fighting for the health, education, and financial stability and basic needs of everyone throughout Central Indiana.